You like me, pa? You like me.
And I guess this is like breakfast food. Maybe it's just my American mind that this is like way too heavy for breakfast.
Hello.
I have my whole day messed
I love you.
I don't know, my trip's gonna go to the restroom later. Holy shit. Definitely don't get it. If you have a local West African restaurant, maybe specifically Ghanaian food. I saw somebody fighting in the comments that was like West African. I already know. It's gonna be huge after that salad, but it's just gonna last me days. It's gonna last me a couple meals. I gotta tap out. That was amazing.
You're cheating on me. Yeah.
Meet Charlotte Nguesan, a Ghanaian engineer who built one of the first AI-powered facial recognition systems in Africa. It's called the Base API, and it helps banks and businesses verify people's identities without needing physical contact. Here's how it works. You scan your face with your phone camera, and the system instantly checks if you're a real person or a photo. It was designed for African faces too, which most global face ID systems struggle to recognize accurately. I want you to guess which award she won for this innovation, but I'll tell you in a second. Her innovation made her the first woman ever to win the Royal Academy of Engineering's African Prize. And most people do not even know about her.
So as you can see, I have a water powered generator that I did. This generator, one thing that makes it special is that instead of, unlike other generators that uses fuel and other things, this one, it uses water. So please, I'm going to display a little bit for you guys to see.
The true salute Kesia, Emu Ayadi Yepa, Edima, Ghanaian youth. Say Ghana for Enquala, Ghana Yadachi, Abusia, and free airbo Mumodi, Queens from Guswa, but to me the Mensa Esimibo Akase, West Africa, and I say Africa Hena, Ope, Amufra, Homo Aye innovative, sir, Abusia, Ghanaian youth, and a first, say, a year a brandy on the Honoma Yoni, Abusia, brandy ya, while building generator, as I generator were building. Yedi insu ana ifueno on how enko charge on how enko petrol on how enfa diesel and as a kerosene and as a gas impo na odi egu eyesa generator we see ama generator no etimi aso light eniema ahodo bebre na ana eye abranti a ogina ho no ma yehune waye ewo Ghana hase no ma otimu se ya branti ho no o dachi yepa ema me sanso ho se Ghana e great future na busuya enye ononko eye de oda ho no mu ya ononso yehune ono so aye socket eye light switch ekwan ya wafa so a waye sa light switch no busuya ho hawo mpo emfa ho nsa enkonko so eye sa switch na light aso so wa bonten anase wotu kwan ekọ ba bi ti se abrochire mpo a wotumi eputu light ne on osanso tumi eputu light ne off eye sa light switch ya abranti ono so ayi eyusu eye sim card sa sim card no obe connect no e di ama o phone a uyusu na phone a uyusu no se eye smartphone anase eye phone a eye enketo a bia ye frɛ no jam phone obetumi e di ahye emu biam se in case e bia e Ghana ha anase wo ana wo chichiri ba bia o menfia na sade asa otumi efrɛ eye sim card ya ode ahye sa switch mu o frɛ ya sa light no ibedum sense opese light na wo so a o frɛ ya light ne beso se ya brochire mpo anase wo mpo a ebusua on hawo ho eno ane se wa frɛ sa sim card na ehye sa switch no emu no sa sim card ne number eno ane se light na so opese odum no so a obɛfrɛ eno ane se light no edum ebusua yembomra video no na yenhwe ekwan a eye emrantie mienu omusi fa so a omoye enyama ahodo we a meka eho asɛm.
The tech ecosystem in Ghana is booming, and these innovative companies are paving a way in the digital revolution across Africa. Here are the top 5 Ghanaian tech startups you should look out for in 2025.
Dipacho, yes, which is Nyamaye, if you Ghana here. Bibia me yen Ghana ha na nya me trase na me hu say sa switches na ye using other bios nipa wona abekọ na akwa press no e betima no kwan bi so a woni internet pa na obetimi aso abra woni fie wo abrochire kwa woni internet a obetimi afre na ofi light na so wo san fra na aduru enti my switches a Yes, and yet you control no. Oh, I can't do me so. If you must say, or more to be. Na ye kwa ma bobia ma obi a sisi adipa no wa abrochi na oso opese a ono a oso ni fuel light e wo abrochi wo na waso ni fuel light wo Ghana ha ma bobia ma ni sisi a me de number ama no ma sene ni number ama no a sisi a ade san ya na so afre ope kwa na betimi san so de ato self automation won frɛ kwa na ade san na aso ade cha na adum no ana ade cha na aso ade san na adum no switch ye ebe buapa ma no ma ye ai simple. I mean sure the way nya mabono is here aduma. So this is the smart switch. I'm coming to install it for someone. So this is how it works. You have to connect the sensor cable to it, then you take it and hide the sensor somewhere in the open place. This one is not a polarity based wire. If we come to this place here, it's having 3 cables. This is neutral light, then the switch. So if you come to here too, we have the neutral light, then the switch. So what you do is you just have to connect the neutral.
Hey, what's up? All right, and I send come question almost so cry. If honestly, a friend now the speed is all right. Cobra na.
About installation. Oh, say this one, any electrical.
So if after the installation you see that, so I've installed the smart switch. After this, then you have to make sure that the SIM card is well installed and the switch is on. So you see that the button too, you have to make sure that it is working well. Have to check everything. You have to make sure that this cable too has passed through the wall. So this is the sensor. So we are going to face this one outside here so that it may be detecting the light and darkness. If I thought made a smart switch, about the pan in the garage. Now, say it here. About what to say that I one in the fear now. Yes, yes, no sukatra. Now you want to catch what power. What do you switch now? My own both here. I want a panion, so I bet me. Once I press Hannah, light in the bedroom. Push a garage inside the house, a light beard. I want a light beard. But Siciano, may I be near you? Once or me, and I like okay, make a channel. Opa, wait me, I use a hassle. I continue. But some pet me saying so, I wait me use mobile phone. Some card in a room. I mean, my Bob in. Send a bear me fran so. Bob in the so. But she said, Bob, I saw an empty the fry a bedroom. She said, I'm a fret. Me really and I'm sending number money power butchy. Ain't it on one part anytime you'll bet me I saw the system. She said, I'm a fret once in a bedroom. Once I do. A do my catena. Now do. Me say fret. Me fry a best so. Mean to put in him. Tell a bear light red bright. But once I saw Casabia Mecan have your hello. Aha, Betty. It is Anna, a bedroom, may fray baby doom, a doom, a doom. Now, may say baby free. I saw a bed picket. Send a bear who say, Bob, a sa. Na corner picket. But what fena a duma corner picket. Send a bear. Hello, tea. Anna, best answer to me. I use her opportunity. At ye sound like a cosway environment. No, I will you, Anna, baby. We want a switch now. ahoma bi enam ha say ye frɛ no photo sensor wo pese wo set saa switch ye say ade san bia enso light ne ma wo na ade chi bia na adum na ma wa saa sensor no na ebe boa wo ba abonten ha saa sensor no na me dia ba bebo a say into install bia wo de saa sensor no be ba abonten se na be ni be hu awia into wo betima set say e bia ade chi bia light ne wu ade san bia light ne so e ba saa ye no won frɛ enye ni para me ba be na e frɛ self automation ade ba ko ye good kura ne say opa ubetima ma light na so ama awia bia ade chi bia na so ama ade san bia na dum switch na de abo ha no ubetima aboa o say na person control switch no wo pese wa na so wo pese ogina ba bi di phone frɛ wo pese won frɛ wa won so eno a esoma awia dum na najo ana wo pese esoma anajo na dum no awia nti switch ye no ebe ye adwuma te se ne a wa adwen wo pese control system ni bia wo pe bia very simple wo frɛ me a kwan bia be fa so a won sabeka no sabeka bi be da wase se wanya bre
I'm into scrapped works and those things. So as you can see, I have a water powered generator that I did. This generator, one thing that makes it special is that instead of, unlike other generators that uses fuel and other things, this one, it uses water. So please, I'm going to display a little bit for you guys to see. Please, we have the switches here, and we also have this one, which also check or determine the power or the voltage of this thing for you. Please, I'm about to pour the water in it for you guys to know. Okay, so please, as you can see, I'm about to pour the water in it for you guys to know. Okay, so please, as you can see, the generator have already started.
Awesome! So this is a water-powered generator. No!
And please, aside this one too, I also inserted USB port that if in case you want to charge your phone with it, you can also
That's
charge.
nice.
And please, this
A
one that we
water-powered
have here is
generator.
also a Cybertruck, as we already know, Cybertruck. But this Cybertruck, I designed it just like the Cybertruck used to be. So, as you can see, I used Styrofoam and also gallon to make this one. So, there's no water around, but it can float on water too. And please, I also display the movement for you guys to also see.
That's also a Cybertruck. Guys. Also AC. Also AC. Technology.
Coffee K.
Aponchi breaking now. Wow.
Almost.
All right.
And then this one also here is a chargeable blender. Yes, and aside it being chargeable too, I decided and made some decisions about we considering our parents at home using blenders and stuff. Sometimes they'll be using it and the blender will just go off. But I realized that it was because the motor gets heated. So I inserted something here, which is the cooling fan. If in case the motor gets heated, this cooling fan is going to cool it down.
Give it up, poultry, Mano.
So as you can see, the blender is active and the fan is also working. And you can also use this one to charge your phone.
Wow! Most innovative indeed. Okay, so the blender is working while he charges his phone. Obi no kro on come the gum nanka. Here mask. It is charging. The phone is indeed charging. Almost a money. Most innovative students.
You can, aside it charging the phone too, we also have the readings here. If in case maybe you are charging it and you want to know the percentage of it, we have the ratings here, which is the reading. It will show you or direct you to the percentage of the battery.
Technology.
So when you press here, it will just give it to you. Thank you.
Technology. Technology. The corona amana have come here mask is here. Give it up for Archery Mano.
Okay, so what's this? This is like a four-legged walking robot that mimics an insect. So the insect we're actually looking at is a praying mantis. Okay. So there is a sensor on it. When it senses darkness, the robot stops. Okay. But there are two LEDs also here that act like their eyes. Okay. So we are going to look at a simple demonstration of how it works.
Most of the
To stop. As soon as it detects darkness, to stop. As soon as I pick up it, continuous walking. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are still We are here to present the project innovation of climate change, which is a problem of the world. We seek to address the fact that we want to eliminate greenhouse gas emissions. And in as much as we are doing all these things, we want to provide food. That's food production. This is the main reason why we are all suffering to get money. So in mechanizing small-scale agriculture, using renewable energy technologies, we are here to present an innovation of solar-powered hydroponic system for small-scale agriculture. My name is Jessica. You can also call me Sandra. With me here, this is going to be our outline of presentation. In Africa, research made by Neonatal 2021 indicates that Africa produces less than 4% of greenhouse gas emissions, but yet, particularly Sub-Saharan Africa, suffers the adverse impact of climate change, which is due to low adaptive capacity, low infrastructural development, and dependency on climate-sensitive sectors, which is going to affect our sustainable development goal 1, 2, and 30, which is poverty reduction, food security, and climate action, respectively. According to research made by FAO in 2019, fossil fuels and burning energy from hydrocarbons contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, which will give rise to incidences of climatic conditions and environmental issues. Therefore, studies by Masters and Pilgrim indicate that there is a need to use alternative clean and cheaper sources of energy to offset the use of non-renewable energy, which is the main reason why our project we use solar energy, because it's clean, extendable, reliable, and minimal impact on our environment, which will end up with the utilization of automated hydroponic systems.
The numbers here represent each bed. So every bed has an RFID tag attached to it. So if you press on a particular number, it will load until it gets to that bed, then it stops. So for instance, if I press 4, it starts loading. So this is bed 4 loading, and this one displays the bed number that you've selected. So it will keep reading. The sensor in there will keep reading until it gets to bed 4, then it stops. My name is Emmanuel Amenyega from Ghana. I love children. That is why I have decided to build this automated 5-in-1 electronic machine to help reduce the number of newborn babies kept on the hospital floors in Ghana. When God brings people to come and support me, I will be glad to produce more of this machine to give babies more comfort.
Hey, Ekwa, man, send fast na monje. Ekwa, 44. Hey, Ekwa, pejansa don kum. Hey, Ekwa, 44. Ekwa, she could na monje. Hey, Ekwa, go this way. Hey, Ekwa, go that way. Hey, Ekwa, Kwati. Hey, Ekwa, Brewanim. Hey, Ekwa, go this way. Hey, Ekwa, go that way. Ekwa, pick up a so. Ekwa, cut it.